morning. This is Mrs. Hernandez. Today we are going to be talking about affixes. Affixes are an additional part of a word added to the beginning or the end of a word to change its meaning or function. There are two types of affixes. There's prefixes and suffixes. Affixes. Okay, so there's prefixes. Prefixes are a word or a letter that's added to the beginning of a word to adjust its meaning. Where do the prefixes go? The beginning of a word. That's right. And suffixes. Suffixes are a word or letter that's added to the end of a word to change a word's function or meaning. Where do suffixes go? The end of the word. Good job. All right, so let's look at some common prefixes. For example, the prefix in means in or no. In or not, okay? So for example, inside, the prefix is in, and you put it with the root word side, so that's going to mean inside or adentro de algo, right? Insane, not healthy or not good. It's insane, no sano. The prefix ex means not or no. For example, extend, I'm going to hold out something. I'm going to extender algo. That's right. Dis or des is the prefix, which means no or not. And that, for example, if I put it with the word disobey, it means to not obey. The prefix pre means before. So for example, if I preheat something, I'm going to cook it before. I'm going to heat it up before. Precalentar. And the prefix anti, which also means before. For example, an antibiotic means a medicine that you take before you get sick. All right, so let's go back here. And here's some prefix words. In just a minute, you're going to do a tree map. So here's some examples. So for example, preheat, prefix pre. Disorder, prefix dis. Ex-boyfriend, the prefix ex. Disobey. So there's some examples for you. All right, so now we're going to do a prefix tree map. I want you to get out a piece of paper. You can pause the video, get out a piece of paper, and I want you to come up with some words that start with these prefixes. You can use a dictionary or dictionary.com to help you. You can use the previous slide. So for example, the prefix is pre, right here. And then what does it mean? Oh no, never mind. So here are the prefixes: pre, in, ex, des, dis, and then ante or anti. And you're going to put the word here. For example, here you would put preheat. Okay. Here in, you would say inside, etc. So go ahead and stop the video and do your tree map. Now, I hope you've done your prefix tree map. We're going to look at some common suffixes now. So one suffix is full. So full means to be full of. For example, grateful. So what does that mean? I'm full of gratefulness. I'm full of being thankful. Suffix is ly. What does that mean? How it is done. How it is done? Fastly, right? Suddenly. Ing, doing an action, like travel-ing. Ed means an action in the past, like scared. The suffix s or es, which makes it plural, more than one, like dogs means more than one. So let's look at this word cloud to help you with suffix words. So you've got grateful, the suffix full, stitched, the suffix ed, and horribly, the suffix ly. All right, let's make a suffix tree map. Can you come up with some words that start with these suffixes? You've got the ly, the s, es, ies, full, ed, and ing. Again, you're going to put the suffixes below each one. Take a few minutes to do that and come right back. All right, good job. You have now learned about affixes.